on HTML5. My name is Untitled Chapter. We are still on the text formatting in HTML5. What are we formatting now? We are formatting our text using emphasis, deleted, inserted, struck through, superscript, subscript. Emphasis, it's more of calling the attention of users or readers to actually see that that word is very important and is represented using EM. On the Sublime Text editor, I have been able to create this for us in order to save our time. So what I did is that I just created a new file and saved it as textform3.html. So create a new file, save it as text.3.html. You can pause this video and make sure you type everything that is here. So pause the video as we continue. Okay, by now I believe that you have already saved a file like this and saved it as textform3.html, and you've typed all of this. Okay, the first we want to do is that to format, use the emphasis, like the text emphasis. So for the text emphasis, you use the word em em as a, and you also use the ending tag em and save. You can use Ctrl S or the rest. So let's go open and see what difference that has brought. Open with I use Google Chrome for this project. You can see that this is text emphasis, like the text emphasis. So text emphasis has something in common with italics, right? So you're free to choose what to use. So the next one is deleted text. Okay, how do you display deleted text? Well, it's deleted, but in this case, it's going to show to us that this text is no more relevant. And you use the tag del, and the closing tag del settles it. So let's save it, Ctrl S, as we check on the browser. So let's refresh the browser and see the deleted text. Refresh, and you can see deleted text. That's just a line striking the text to show that that text is no longer useful, but depending on what scenarios you're using it. Okay, I need to clear my throat, sorry. Now, thank you. I've been able to clear my throat. So another one is struck through. You want to strike through a text, and this is a struck through. What do you use? You use S for struck through. So let's see what's the difference between the struck through and the deleted. So you have the S tag and you end it with the S. And let's display it on the browser. Now this is supposed to be transformed now. Okay, refresh. Alright, what's the difference between the struck through and the deleted? Well, just trying to see if there's any difference. No clear difference, I guess. If you have seen something different, you can probably make a comment. Okay, struck through, striking through the text, just like the deleted text. Next is the superscript. Now, superscript, subscript, and the rest, superscript and the subscripts are used in mathematics. Remember, we can have x raised to the power y or y raised to the power 21 or the rest. So let's say this is y raised to the power 21. So y21. Okay, the 21 is going to be on top if we are talking about superscript. So what you do is you type the y, and on the 21, since you are sending the 21 on top, just say use the SUP for the superscript, and you hand it with SUP. Make sure that the XUP only envelopes what you are sending to the top. So we expect this to be y raised to the power 21. So save it as Ctrl S, and let's go to the browser and refresh the page. You can see clearly here that it is y raised to the power 21. So in HTML, you speak the language. You cannot enforce the character. You understand? The browser only understands the tag and other elements. So, and we also have a subscript. I can remember in mathematics, base raised to no, base 2, base 3, base 4. Okay, we sometimes we have 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 in base 2. Okay, but if you type this, if you save this and refresh, of course it's going to show you everything. This 2 is supposed to be a base number. That is, it's supposed to go down just like this. Y21 goes up for superscript. So for subscript, we're going to envelope this with SU subscript. That subscript. It's going to affect only the 2. Save it and let's refresh the page. Refresh the page, you could see that the 2 has been sent down. So there's 1000 blah 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 base 2. Thank you for listening, and you can actually register on estudy.com.ng for more videos, and also like our Facebook page, facebook.com/estudynigeria. See you in the next lesson.